So, your business is finally diving into AI. That's awesome. But right off the bat, you've got a huge decision to make. Are you going to go with a general do everything tool like ChatGPT, or are you going to invest in a specialist, a custom bot that's built just for you? Believe me, this choice could change everything for your company. So, let's break it all down. And let's be real about what's at stake here. ChatGPT is an absolutely amazing piece of tech, no doubt. But using it the wrong way in a business setting, that's not just a little oopsie, it can have some serious financial consequences. We're talking thousands of dollars down the drain, which is exactly why you need to know what you're doing.
Okay, to really get a handle on this choice, you first have to understand the two different flavors of AI we're talking about. It really comes down to that classic battle, the jack of all trades versus the master of one.
Think about it like this. ChatGPT is kind of like a giant public library. It knows a little something about pretty much everything, right? But a custom bot, that's your company's own in-house expert. It's been trained specifically on your documents, your customer chats, your brand voice. It doesn't just know about your business, it basically is your business.
So let's see how these two actually stack up, where it really counts in the day-to-day grind of a real business. We're going to put them head-to-head across three super important areas that can literally make or break your success with AI.
First up, and this is a big one, data privacy. When you type sensitive company info into a public model like ChatGPT, you have to wonder, where does that go? You're kind of putting it out there. That data could be used to train the model for, well, for everybody, including your competition. A custom bot, on the other hand, is like a vault. It's a secure, private space. Your data is your data, period. All right, next, branding. You've worked so hard to build a unique voice for your company, right? ChatGPT, by its very nature, is designed to sound pretty generic. But a custom bot? It studies your past marketing, your brand guides, your support chats. It learns to talk exactly like you. So it's not just spitting out info, it's communicating in your voice, building that real, authentic connection with your customers. And what happens when you start to grow? Let's talk scalability. Look, ChatGPT is great for one-off things, like, hey, write me an email or summarize this article. But what if you need to handle, say, 10,000 very specific customer questions a day, and each one needs deep knowledge about your product? Yeah, that's where a custom bot just blows everything else away. It's built from the ground up for those specialized, high-volume jobs that really fuel a growing business. So, we've gone over the strategic stuff, but what does this all mean for your bank account? Let's get to the good part, the numbers. We're talking performance and profit, because at the end of the day, any business decision has to make financial sense. This is the million-dollar question, isn't it? When you cut through all the hype and all the features, which one of these actually moves the needle? Which one delivers real, tangible results for your business? And here's the answer. The data is absolutely wild, and it's a total game changer. Custom bots can boost conversions by a staggering 40 to 55% over generic models. And why is that? It's all about trust. The custom bot knows your product inside and out, it speaks in your brand's voice, and it guides customers with a precision that a generalist just can't touch. That's a massive, direct lift in sales, all from using an AI that's built specifically for you. This chart really lays it all out, doesn't it? On the one hand, yeah, ChatGPT has a low cost to get started, but it comes with huge risks to your data and a totally generic voice. Then you look at the custom bot. Sure, it's a bigger investment up front, but what do you get for it? A secure asset, perfect brand alignment, and, most importantly, that insane 40 to 55% jump in conversions. The math doesn't lie. The ROI on a custom bot can absolutely dwarf the initial savings of a generic tool. So this all brings us to the final verdict. The choice you're making here isn't just about picking a piece of software. It's a way bigger strategic decision about how you see AI fitting into your company's future. And here's the bottom line. For quick, simple, one-off tasks, generic tools are fine. But if you are building a serious, scalable business, you have got to look past the hype. You need to be building a unique advantage, something your competitors can't just go out and copy tomorrow. So as you map out your own AI strategy, I want you to ask yourself this one simple question. Are you just looking for a tool, or are you trying to build a real business asset? One that's secure, that sounds like you, and that's actually designed to grow with you? The answer to that question will probably tell you everything you need to know.